Hello. Um, Today I have another phone to unbox. This is the Xiaomi Note 3 Pro. Just recently bought, like this Monday. I haven't opened it yet, and so let's go around the box. We have Note 3 logo, but it doesn't say Note 3 Pro. But this is the one. I got the gold color here. Interesting thing is most of the thing is written in Chinese, which I don't understand, but it somehow says like 650. That's what the chipset is. 1.8 gigahertz, 5.5 inch, and 4000 mAh, and so on, and some of the IMEI information and so on, because and yes, that's the one, 32 GB, and probably this is the RAM information, 3 GB. So the reason I bought these because of this. I just bought these like in May, end of May, and it lasted just 2 months. It's basically a very new phone and stopped working. And I did not know that this doesn't cover warranty. Anyway, the shop that I bought it from, they refused to fix it anyway, so I was very upset. But I'll just fix it sometime later. Then I have another phone which I used, I don't think 6 months or so, or less than 6 months, or 6 months. So this is the Samsung A7, and it also stopped working, and yeah, and since then having a bad luck with the phone. So I bought another phone which I'm recording with, which is a Chinese version, very cheap. So let's see what's inside. So we have unboxing of this phone, Xiaomi Note 3 Pro. Just like to cut it very neatly. There you go. That looks absolutely fantastic. I mean, I don't know, did I cut this thing here? Oh no, it's okay. There it is. Sorry about the light reflection. I don't know why there is so much reflection. So this is the phone, Chinese version. Feels solid, feels very heavy, better than those. I would say, yeah, this one is lighter, yeah, but this feels very good and quite thick actually, due to the large battery in it. So yeah, it looks good. The color, I was looking for the silver, but at this moment the silver one was not available. So let's take a look around the phone. This is, yeah, that's volume rocker, power on off switch, the USB and the microphone on the top, IR blaster, headphones jack, and another microphone. And that's where the SIM card and the micro SD goes. So what's inside? Let's see. I don't think there's much inside. Some paperwork. Yeah, that's it. Nothing else. Chinese. Oh yeah, that's SIM ejection tool and some registration form and stuff like that. and that's it. And I'm not going to be able to read them anyway, so I'll just keep them as it is. I'll read later. And finally, this doesn't come with any headphones. That would be nice if they could throw in a basic headphone. That's the USB and cable, and of course this is the charger. Not sure if it is a fast charger, but it says 2000 mAh, so maybe quite fast. Not sure about it. So yeah, let's see. Okay, so it is like a thin film attached to it, so there you go. Okay, how do I open it? Remove this. Okay, yeah, all right, very nice. Okay, so let's power it up. Looks like it is, yeah, auto brightness was given. So this MIUI, that's what they say, doesn't have any app drawer, so I mean maybe we are used to it, or I'm used to it. So yeah, I mean they have installed all the Google software, so most of it, and there are some tools which is not Chinese, which I quite like. And one of the things that I want to test is the, yeah, that's the version, that is, I was looking for global stables. So yeah, that's all right. Yeah, and it has those capacitive buttons. Unfortunately, they don't light. I mean, you don't see in the dark. We have to just use our adjustment. So yeah, I mean, it looks all right. Some apps are there already. Yeah, I don't know what is going on. Turn on or something, it says. Oh yeah, that's the one. And Wi-Fi is there, and some drop down menu is there. So yeah, I mean, the screen looks really nice. I mean, I don't remember what screen is it. If it is it certainly is not the AMOLED, probably this IPS LCD, something like that. So yeah, I mean, interesting thing is it's not the Chinese version, so it should be okay. I mean, yeah, looks all right. I mean, very snappy. That's what I was looking for. Yeah, maybe, I don't know, this new software, new version, because it looks quite a bit new to me. Yeah, if they don't do anything if I swipe, so it just like, yeah, that's it. And yeah, I'll just use it and then probably have updates of the, yeah, on the user experience, or full review maybe in some time later. So that's all about the unboxing, and thanks for watching.